So, picture this, you're tired of your old gas mower, and you're thinking about making the switch to an electric one. Or maybe your current mower is just ancient, and not doing its job anymore. Either way, you find yourself in a bit of a pickle because there are just so many options out there when it comes to buying a new lawn mower. Today we're diving into the world of lawn mowers and exploring some fantastic options for those of you with small yards. Yep, we're talking about those cozy spaces ranging from around 5,000 to 8,000 square feet. You know, the kind where you won't need to take out a second mortgage just to keep your grass looking fresh. And let's not forget, you won't be spending half your weekend mowing either. Trust me, I've got you covered. Now, let's talk about these small lawn mowers. They're like the little powerhouses of the mower world. They may be compact, but boy, are they reliable and easy to maintain. And the best part, they won't burn a hole in your wallet like they used to in the good old days. Gone are the times when you had to sacrifice a limb to keep your lawn trimmed. We've got some awesome choices nowadays that won't break the bank. So, why go for a small lawn mower? Well, besides being more affordable, these beauties are specifically designed for smaller yards. They're nimble, maneuverable, and perfect for tight spaces. You won't have to worry about wrestling with a gigantic mower that feels like you're trying to steer a battleship. Nope, these little guys are all about efficiency and ease. Which small lawn mower should you choose? Well, that depends on your specific needs and preferences. But let me tell you about a couple of options that have been turning heads in the market lately. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 5, we're going to talk about one of the most durable lawn mowers on the market, the Greenworks 40V 21 Brushless Push Lawn Mower. First off, the batteries on this mower are easier to remove compared to previous models from Greenworks. That means you can quickly swap them out when needed, making your mowing experience more efficient. Next up, let's talk about the cutting performance. The Greenworks 40V 21 lawn mower delivers a clean and precise cut, leaving your lawn looking immaculate. No more uneven patches or missed spots with this bad boy. One downside that some users have mentioned is that the mower feels a bit bulky. It weighs around 60 pounds, which is a bit heavier compared to other mowers out there. However, don't let that discourage you just yet. The steel deck of the 21-inch actually provides excellent stability, making up for its weight and ensuring a smooth mowing experience. Speaking of the deck, it's worth noting that the Greenworks 40V 21 lawn mower is built like a tank. With its rugged stainless steel construction, this mower can withstand encounters with acorns, rocks, sticks, and other debris you might come across while mowing. Say goodbye to worrying about damaging your mower during your yard work. Now let's talk about power. The Greenworks 40V 21 lawn mower is equipped with a brushless motor that rivals the power of gas mowers. It packs a punch and gets the job done efficiently. If you have a hilly yard, fear not. This mower is equipped with Greenworks' Smart Pace system, which makes tackling those slopes a breeze. You won't have to struggle or strain yourself while mowing uphill. Now, here's the deal. We know that Greenworks has another model, the Greenworks Pro Brushless Mower, which is about $100 more expensive. However, we believe that for most people with yards around 1/3 of an acre, the Greenworks 40V 21 lawn mower is the better option. It's self-propelled, making it easier to push, and it still comes with 2 batteries. The Pro model may have a 30-minute rapid charger, but the Greenworks 40V 21 lawn mower holds its own with its durability and affordability. Let's go over the key specs real quick. The Greenworks 21 lawn mower operates on a 40 volts power supply, has a cutting width of 21 inches, and weighs about 60 pounds. So, if you're looking for a reliable and durable mower that can handle the toughest mowing conditions, the Greenworks 40V 21 lawn mower is the way to go. It's built tough, delivers a clean cut, and offers great value for your money. You won't regret adding this bad boy to your lawn care arsenal. And that wraps up our review of the Greenworks 40V 21 Brushless Push Lawn Mower. At number 4, we're going to talk about the quietest lawn mower out there, the Makita Brushless 18-inch lawn mower. If you're someone who values peace and quiet, or you simply don't want to annoy your neighbors while mowing your lawn, then this mower might be the perfect fit for you. One of the standout features of this Makita mower is its incredibly low noise output. Compared to other mowers, it operates at just 70 dBA, which is about as loud as a vacuum cleaner. That's seriously quiet. So, if you have sensitive ears or you enjoy a peaceful mowing experience, this mower has got you covered. Now, let's talk about performance. Despite its quiet operation, the Makita mower doesn't compromise on cutting power. It features a brushless motor and a spinning blade that can tackle your grass without any issues. One of the reviewers tested the larger 21 inches deck version of this mower and he was really impressed. He said it delivers a superb cut surface, which is always a top priority when it comes to mowers. Another great thing about this Makita mower is its battery life. It comes with 4 batteries, giving you plenty of runtime to mow your lawn. In fact, with a full set of batteries, you should be able to cut about 1/3 of an acre of grass. And here's a handy feature. There's a battery charge meter located on the handlebar, so you can easily keep track of your battery levels and know when it's time to recharge. Now, it's important to mention one downside of this mower. It doesn't have a side discharge function. So, if you prefer to discharge your grass on the side rather than mulching or bagging, this might not be the right mower for you. But if you're okay with mulching or bagging, then you've found your match. At number 3, we've got a real gem to share with you, the Hart Cordless 20-inch push mower. Now, this mower is all about being affordable while still delivering some impressive features. First up, let's talk about maneuverability. This mower is a breeze to maneuver around your yard. It's lightweight and easy to push, making it a great option for anyone who wants a hassle-free mowing experience. Now, here's something that sets this mower apart. The battery bay can hold not 1, but 2 batteries, effectively doubling its runtime. With a generous battery life of 30 minutes, you'll have enough power to tackle a half acre of grass without breaking a sweat. And if you have a larger yard, no worries. Just pop in that second battery and you're good to go. One thing to note is that the deck on this mower is made of plastic, which means it can scratch easily. That's something to keep in mind if you're someone who wants to keep their equipment looking pristine. However, don't let that deter you from considering this mower because there's a lot more to love. Let's talk about the cut quality, performance, and battery life. We were genuinely impressed with what this mower had to offer, especially considering its reasonable price tag. It delivers a clean and precise cut, ensuring your lawn looks fantastic every time. Plus, with its efficient battery, you won't have to worry about running out of power halfway through your mowing session. Now, let's touch on some additional features. This mower features a single lever deck adjustment, making it super convenient to change your cutting height. No complicated settings or fussing around, just a simple adjustment to fit your needs. And speaking of convenience, the push-button start on this mower is a real game changer. Say goodbye to yanking on a cord to start your mower. Just press a button, and you're off to the races. When it comes to storage, this mower has got you covered too. It folds up easily, making it a breeze to tuck away in your garage or shed. It's all about simplicity and efficiency here. Now, here's a neat little bonus for you. The included charger is a rapid charger, meaning it charges your batteries in half the time compared to other electric mowers we've reviewed. That's a time saver for sure. To sum it all up, the Hart Cordless 20-inch push mower is an excellent choice if you're looking for an affordable option that gets the job done. It's perfect for those of you with smaller lawns who want a reliable and easy-to-use mower. However, if you have a yard with hills, you might want to consider the slightly more expensive self-propelled model instead. It's equipped with a brushless motor and a self-propelled drive system, making it a better fit for tackling inclines. So, there you have it, the key specs of this mower. It packs a punch with its 40V power, a cutting width of 20 inches, and weighs in at around 50 pounds. Keep these numbers in mind when deciding if this mower is the right fit for you. Coming in at number 2, we're going to talk about the Greenworks 20-inch cordless lawn mower. Now, if you're someone who only needs to cut a small section of grass, then this mower might just be what you're looking for. And the best part, it won't break the bank, coming in at under $275. One of the standout features of this mower is its easy deck height adjustment. You can easily customize the height of the deck to suit your specific needs. Whether you want a shorter cut or a slightly longer one, this mower has got you covered. Another great thing about this Greenworks mower is its sturdy tires. With 10 inches rear wheels, it can effortlessly roll over uneven surfaces and rough terrain. Greenworks mowers are praised for their design and the features they offer at such an affordable price point. It's pretty impressive. However, it's important to note that this particular model doesn't come with self-propelled functionality. If you have hilly areas in your yard and want to make your mowing experience a bit easier, we recommend checking out the similar 21 inches Greenworks mower. And it's our number 5 mower in this video. It's one of the most affordable self-propelled brushless mowers out there. It's powered by a 40V battery, which provides ample power for your mowing needs. The cutting width is 20 inches, allowing you to cover more ground in less time. And when it comes to weight, it's around 60 pounds. Finally, coming in at number 1, we're going to talk about the best overall cordless lawn mower on the market. And that title goes to the Ego Power Plus 21-inch cordless lawn mower. One of the standout features of this mower is its long run time. You can mow your entire lawn without having to worry about the battery dying on you. Plus, it's self-propelled, which means you don't have to exert too much effort to push it around. That's a big win in our book. Another great feature is the stacked blade system. This is something you usually find in more expensive gas-powered mowers, but Ego has brought it to the cordless market. What does this mean for you? Well, it results in a cleaner, more precise cut, leaving your lawn looking immaculate. Unfortunately, the battery is not included with the mower. So, if you don't already have a compatible battery from another Ego tool, you'll have to purchase one separately. Keep that in mind when you're budgeting for your new mower. But don't worry, there's a shop model available that comes with the battery included. So, if you want the convenience of having everything you need in one package, that option is available to you. Now, let's dive into why this mower is the best overall. First off, it has a 21 inches deck, which means you can cover a lot of ground in a relatively short amount of time. You can get your lawn looking pristine in under an hour. Despite its power, the Ego is surprisingly quiet. So, you won't have to worry about disturbing your neighbors or dealing with the noise pollution that comes with gas-powered mowers. Plus, it's easy to maintain, and who doesn't love that? The Ego has also received high praise from reputable sources like Pro Tools Reviews. They love its torque, impressive hour-long runtime, and fast charging speeds. It's clear that this mower is a top contender in the cordless market. Now, let's go over the key specs. The Ego Power Plus 21-inch operates at 56 feet, giving it plenty of power to tackle even the toughest grass. It has a cutting width of 21 inches, allowing you to cover a wide area with each pass. And when it comes to weight, it's around 63 pounds, which is pretty manageable for most people. So, there you have it. The Ego Power Plus 21-inch cordless lawn mower is our top pick for the best overall cordless mower. With its long run time, self-propelled feature, and stacked blade system, it's hard to beat. Just keep in mind that the battery is not included, but there's an option to get the shop model with the battery included if you prefer that convenience. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.